Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Meri Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity to represent myself and discuss my topic with all of you. So today I am going to discuss the topic which is the maintenance of child and the parents under the Mohammedan law. Firstly, I am going to discuss the maintenance of children. A father is bound to maintain his son as long as they are minor, and a father is bound to maintain his daughters as long as they are unmarried. And if the child has sufficient means to maintain himself or herself, then he or she is not entitled for any maintenance. Now there is one of the case laws under which it has explained. The case is Noor Shaba Khatun versus Muhammad Qasim in 1997. In this case, the Supreme Court held that a divorced Muslim woman is entitled to claim maintenance for her child till they become major. The liability to maintain his child is absolute in two conditions: that a male Muslim person has certain conditions in which his liability becomes absolute, and those conditions are that he is in a position to bear the burden and that the children in question have no independent means of their own. Now, the maintenance of the illegitimate child. And in the Muslim law, the father is not entitled to maintain, or he is not bound to maintain his illegitimate child. There are two schools under the, or two laws under the Muslim religion that we know, that is the Sunni law and the Shia law. So in Sunni law, the mother is bound to maintain her illegitimate child, and in Shia law, neither father nor mother is liable to maintain their children. So however, a father is liable to maintain his illegitimate children under the Section 125 of the CRPC. That means under the Muslim personal law, he is not liable to maintain his illegitimate child, but under this Section 125 of the CRPC, he is bound to maintain his illegitimate child. Now the concept is the maintenance of the parents. A child, male or female, who has the sufficient property is responsible to maintain his parents or grandparents if poor, irrespective of whether they are capable of earning their livelihood or not. They are liable to maintain their parents and their grandparents. Now there is one more concept, that is the regarding maintenance when daughter stays away from father. So once the daughter are married, the liability of the father ceases under Muslim law. Under Muslim law, once the daughter gets married, the father's responsibility to maintain her is ceased, and the daughter has no right to live as and where she likes and claim separate maintenance from the father. It is possible only in the special circumstances that she would be entitled to separate maintenance. And there is one more concept, that is, if the daughter refuses the offer to live with his father, she cannot claim maintenance under the Muslim law. So these was the overall concept related to the maintenance of children and parents or the grandparents. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, all of you.